Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now I told him, I said, look, Pedro, I know Chick-fil-A your favorite spot in the whole universe, but we need something different. I convinced him, y'all. He said Noodles and Company is the way to go, so we finna go ahead and eat here. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know how this man is 5 feet tall and always finish all his food. On a 1 to 10 scale, where would you rate the Spark app? $14, 8 miles, that's trash.
My experience in St. Louis,
yeah,
what I've done so far with the 50-something deliveries and a couple yesterday, on a scale of 1 to 10, man, it's a 5.
Can we redeem ourselves, guys? We took an L yesterday. You know, Big Bro came out into our zone. He made, you know, 78 bucks off 2 great orders. I'm going down into his zone today, and I'm finna see if I can get some great orders. Look, you make sure you watch this whole video. If you watched yesterday's video, thank you. This is gonna be a part 2. Look, ain't no way I'm about to take an L 2 days in a row. We got to make this happen. Look, it is 10 o'clock in the morning. I am heading across this bridge, and y'all are riding with me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is crazy. My gas over in Edwardsville is $3.60. That 36 bucks just filled up my tank. I think that might be it right there. Shit, what they doing right there sitting on them rocks? Is that my boy right there?
What's good?
What's up? Yeah, I just pulled up, just scouting the parking lot, seeing what's going on. Just gonna pull over here and see what's going on. I'm gonna follow bro. Yeah, we're gonna do it just like that. Sorry, hold on, excuse me. Bada bing, bada boom. Shrewsbury Walmart, baby. Where the money is made. This is where they make the money at up here. It's the money Walmart. It must be where they keep all the money at. All right. Well, guess we finna see what's going on. Ooh, look at that. I'm not used to seeing that on the Spark app, guys. Look how many pickup locations it is in this zone. I mean, that right there is absolutely off the charts. Let me see if I can count the Walmarts. It's even a Walmart in Illinois, Waterloo, Illinois. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Walmarts and probably about 25 Sherman-Williams and Home Depots. This is absolutely crazy. Sally's, Advanced Auto Parts. This zone is literally like 100 times bigger than mine. This is crazy. Look at that first order. We got $7 for 3 miles at City Girl. Let's see if we can see what they ordered.
Oh,
it's probably some shoes or something.
Yeah,
but
I'm a trader.
What's up?
You taking a W today? You taking the L? Like
I'm taking a W, bro. I'm not playing no games. I'm probably finna be in there shopping like crazy. Okay. What we going for? 2.5, 3 hours?
Yeah, we'll do something like that. Yeah, about like yesterday.
Yeah, but I ain't even gonna lie. They need to go ahead and bless me with a banger though, because you got off to a banger start yesterday. The first halfway decent order I just seen. $14.46 for 8.7 miles, but it's at a Sam's Club, and I just left Sam's Club getting gas, so I ain't finna drive all the way back for 14 bucks. I don't know what this $9 for 2 drop-offs. What is going on up at City Gear? They need their own delivery service, because this is absolutely crazy. Ain't no way I'm picking up $200 Jordans for 9 bucks.
Different people's homes? Nah, that's not.
Yeah, that's absolutely crazy. That was the same order. So Pedro just distracted me talking about DoorDash. I just missed $16 for $16.50 for 3 miles. Sometimes they be hidden, especially when you know the volume is picking up. I seen drivers over there scouting, so I know what's going on. It's gonna be some shops popping off. And you know what? I'm also gonna teach you another trick. It's a certain spot in this parking lot where you get the best reception to get that order. And I'm finna go ahead and travel around a little bit, and we gonna figure it out.
This is Wi-Fi great right here. Let's jump in.
All right, y'all, so he's heading out right now. Neither one of us got an order. We also gonna be turning on other apps too, so just in case we sitting here, we gonna be multi-apping too. But I heard something about this rock over here. It's supposedly it's a special rock, and you get special orders if you go by the rock. So I'm finna travel over here to this special rock they got in this new zone that I'm working in. I'm finna see if there's any validity to what we got going on, guys. Let's travel over here real quick, because they got special rocks with special properties, you know what I'm saying, giving out the orders. Maybe I need to go on over there and get my first order, because I'm the fastest shopper alive, and I need to get that shopping pay so I can get that money. I just put 36 bucks in the tank. What we got going on over here? Special rock, huh? Okay, I see him right there. Is he a shopper? Maybe he's a shopper. Okay, nothing popping off yet. The map did change from not busy to slightly busy. So, you know, maybe that's gonna have something going on. Okay. I see these fellas over here, they got them a little order. Oh, okay, them guys was sitting on the rock earlier. We got some little action. Oh, okay, it say put the seatbelt on. Oh, this must be the special rock. Oh, I just got an order. Oh, snaps. I drove by the special rock and I just got an order. That must be the rock right there. That gotta be the special rock, y'all. Now, the order ain't good, and it was an ASAP order, so it is gone. But I think this the rock they was talking about. Hey, yo, let's post up. We finna post up right here, y'all. We finna post up and see if we can get an order by sitting by the special rock. Hey, this is not no conspiracy theory either, y'all. Look, if you didn't know, no matter what Walmart you go to, it's gonna be a special spot in the parking lot that everybody flock to, and that's where the orders come in. And I know where it's at my home Walmart. I kind of got a good idea where it's at the Wood River Walmart, but I don't know, man. My intuition is telling me that that might be the special rock right there. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Do you know where your special rock is at your local Walmart? Because if you don't, you need to be figuring that out like ASAP, because that special rock is gonna bring money to the table. So let's see, let's hope that I'm right, and let's see if we can get some little mojo off the special rock. Now I see a Samsung. Oh, $44 for 23 miles. Oh man, that mug got me going all the way everywhere in the hood. Bro, it's the special rock. I'm trying to tell you, bro. Now I'm not finna take this because I know St. Louis, all of these orders is going to the hood. And I'm not about to pop a tire or be caught in traffic for a $40 order that's gonna take 2.5 hours. But that proves my theory right, guys. I knew something was going on with that rock, y'all. That's crazy. All right, we're gonna sit here for a second, bro. I'm about to call Pedro and let him know, because you know we trying to investigate and figure out what's going on.
Yo,
bro, the special rock got properties, bro.
What you talking about?
Bro, as soon as I pulled up to the special rock, I got an order, bro. A round robin.
Oh, really?
Bro, I'm telling you, bro. It's the same way how in my zone I got 2 Walmarts I work, and I know it's 2 spots in the parking lot that everybody flock to.
And that's why those motherfuckers are always just sitting there.
And it's the same way as the people I showed you in the parking lot in my Walmart yesterday. It's always a spot, no matter what Walmart you go to, where you get an order quicker and faster than the other Spark drivers. And this special rock is the spot, bro. I'm 100% sure.
Interesting.
I'm 100%. Now, it don't mean you won't get an order when you not by the rock, but it definitely increases your chances of getting an order. Hey, this the special. No matter what Walmart you go to, it's always gonna be a special spot where you get the best signal and the increased chance of seeing the order quicker. We just figured out that this rock that Pedro been referencing, that people been. That is the special rock right there. But this is, yes, this is how you do it right here. So I know where it's at in my zone. Now we just figured out where it's at over here. So now we know where to go when we want to get that order. So it don't matter if it's the round robin or even if you don't got one, this is the area you want to be at to get that order. And it kind of makes sense though, because at all the other Walmarts, it's a spot that's really close to where the curbside signal distribute the orders from.
Okay, that makes sense.
But this is how you get that order.
And that dude's just sitting there sometimes. We'll have a couple phones.
Yeah, everything they be talking about on them, yeah, that's that.
I've seen it.
They don't play, bro. They own it.
I've seen it.
Like it, yeah.
And then I see and then those dudes go in and they shop or they pick up.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that shit happened. So they thought they was finna take all the orders up here at Shrewsbury, huh? They got the green pickup signs. We got blue pickup signs in Edwardsville. They just different out here. They just different. Look, we got 3 signal rocks. I don't know which one give you the strongest signal, but if I had to choose, I would say the flat one.
I don't know. It's probably that one.
You know what? It might be the one that give you the most pain. It probably the pointiest one. This one probably give you the best signal. Let me just sit the Spark phone. We just gonna sit the Spark phone right there on the signal rock. And that's got to be the best way to get the order right there. Ain't no way better than that. Check it out. I'm not driving 22 miles into the hood for $44. I need 64 or really like 70. I know bro said that there'd be a lot of shoppers in here just like posted up. God, I ain't never in my life been to a Walmart where they have so much of a theft problem that they don't even have mostly all self-checkouts. This is crazy. That Walmart got 2 self-checkouts for Walmart Plus and Spark people. Just 2. I couldn't believe it, bro. I went in there to buy a Red Bull and use the restroom and just to see what's going on, see the layout. Man, I'm so glad I did see the layout because this is absolutely insane. I mean, absolutely insane because, I ain't even got an order yet for this Walmart. And I mean, they literally got one Walmart associate right there just staring you down. sitting there staring you down, making sure every item is accounted for. They is not playing up. My whole entire life, bro. And I just remembered, I asked the lady, I'm like, why is all these customers going through the regular checkout line? She like, most of the people that shop at this Walmart, they don't have Walmart Plus. I'm like, why don't they have Walmart Plus? They cheap. I'm like, that don't. Walmart Plus a lot of the times is free. A lot of the times it's free. And even if when it ain't, it's so cheap. These people ain't even tipping on their deliveries. And Walmart don't charge you nothing if you just want curbside delivery. You basically getting free delivery. On why it ain't that many orders coming out of this Walmart. Because if most of the people that's, you know, ordering from this Walmart is coming in and shopping themselves, then waiting in the long ass line. I ain't never seen a Walmart that only got 2 self-checkout. You know, where you can scan a barcode and be in and out easily. So it don't even matter if you're a Walmart Plus member. You still gonna wait in the line at this Walmart, even at the self-checkout, because it's only one. This is wild. I ain't never in my whole life seen nothing like this at any Walmart I ever been to. They must got a serious theft problem. This is crazy. So we have officially been up here for 36 minutes. Let's see if we can get an order when the round robins drop. I know what time them orders be dropping. See if we can get at least one shopping order up out of this Walmart. Now I did see a couple folks out there sitting. Gotta make sure you at the special signal spot when them orders drop. If you are, or else you're gonna be sitting up in that parking lot. Alright, so it's 12:37 and we made it to the Special Rock, y'all. Let's see if we can get an order. Let's see. Special Rock. What you got for us, Special Rock? Alright, it's 12:38. This the round robin time right here. Come on, Special Rock. Come through for us, baby. Come on, Special Rock. I know you got an order out there for your boy. Somebody took that trash order. I ain't getting nothing. I got, like, it's an ASAP order, but that was already on there. And it's gone. Damn, and it's gone that fast. They ain't got no Walmart Plus out here, boy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Somebody accepted it and threw it back. Boy, I know they completion rates is trash out here. I know they completion rates got to be trash. This is crazy. How is my acceptance rate 34%? I ain't do that. Come on, Special Rock, baby. There we go. $22, 5 miles. Special Rock for the win. 30 items, $4 tip. All right, at least we got something. I'm about to go in here and shop this. We got $22 for 5 miles. Let's go. Finally got something. So at least I can brag that I got a damn order. All right, I think we're going to park this thing right here. Woo! Oh, man, we got a 13-minute drive. And I just saw Big Bro. He already back in the parking lot. So, you know, he only got an $11 order so far, and I'm running a $22 order. So maybe he gets an order before I get back, maybe not. But I kind of want him to get an order and to do better than me, because I would rather him get an order and keep making money than me just win and him be sitting there. So I really do hope he get another order by the time I make it back and already be, you know, delivering it. I want to make that money, and I want him to make that money too. And you know what? Whoever win, whoever lose, that doesn't really matter. What matters is we get to, you know what I'm saying, show you guys this collaboration. So let's hope Mr. Bet on You getting another order. I'm going to drop this one off, right? And I'm going to check the map, and I'm going to see exactly what's closest to me, because I got a feeling that even though I'm only 5.6 miles away, I got a feeling that it might just be a situation where I'm closer to another Walmart. I see I'm over here by the Galleria. Yeah, I'm over here by the Galleria. That means I'm in Clayton. Basically, I'm in Clayton, Richmond Heights area. So yeah, I think I'm finna see if it's a Walmart or a Sam's Club closer once I get to this drop-off. Oh, they not playing over here. They got the lakeside property. They got polices and security all up in the cul-de-sac. That's what I like to see. So look, we pulling up to the delivery destination right now. And like I said, I'm going to be checking to make sure that it ain't no other pickup locations out here, because I would rather pick up somewhere that's closer to her and keep that money rolling in. I think this is my building right here. Yep, it sure is. 900. Yep. So I'm finna park this mug right here, next pickup spot, and keep these wheels rolling. And I am finna be using the delivery wagon on this one. You better. All right, so we just got that order dropped off. Now this is the Walmart that Pedro is at waiting on me. But this Walmart right here in Richmond Heights is actually a little bit closer. So I'm gonna start navigating towards this one right here, this Richmond Heights one. Boom, we gonna navigate. Nope, that ain't it. There we go. Alrighty, we made it to the Maplewood Walmart. This is crazy. This is actually where I got my gas at. When I first started, I got the gas from the Sam's Club right over there. Let me see if I can get me a little shoppy woppy up out of this mug. Get myself together real quick, like, see what they got going on up here in this. There's lots of folks up here today. That's always good to see. I mean, it's lots of volume. Hold up, let's move that over right there. Yes, sir. I don't want nobody knowing what I got going on. You go ahead, big dog. You got it. You got it. I'm just trying to get a spark order, big dog. Man, they need the po-po up at Walmart. What is going on? Oh, my Lord. They just in there chilling, getting all free money. Let me see. Okay, so we got the grocery side right here. So where is the curbside pickup is what I'm... Do they got curbside pickup at this Walmart? Oh, okay, the pickup spot's all the way over there. Let me circle this parking lot one more again. Oh, so that's the curbside department? They shit kind of weird. I ain't even gonna lie to you. It's kind of weird up. Gotta find that special rock if you want to get that order. They got to have some kind of special rock up here. Every Walmart got one. So where is the special rock for Maplewood Walmart? I only got 20 spots up here. What's this, 25, 30 spots? They got a little bit of action up here. A little bit of action. Not a crazy amount, but yep, I see a couple drivers. Okay. A couple people got some shopping orders. Okay. They got a little action up here. All right, y'all, it's 1:39. We made it back to the special rock. Made it back. Let's see. Come on. Come on, Spark, baby. I see that map is red. You know what that mean? That mean you got an order for your boy. Go ahead, let me get that. Stop playing with me. Let me get a nice little $50 order. Come on now. Got me all the way out here. Saw the Alright, I saw the notification. What's it gonna be? Okay, $15, 2 miles, 16 items. Alright, we doing it. Let's go. Oh yeah, it's officially confirmed now. 2 times in a row have I pulled up and got an order at the Special Rock, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and call it right there. Pedro, when you watch this video, make sure you park at the Special Rock or close to the Special Rock. We got the I can't even talk right. We got the groceries shopped. We heading to the delivery, and I think Pedro might be on a 10-mile trip. I think. I don't know if he accepted that screenshot he sent me, but if he did, I may have a chance at making it back. And I took this one. I may be able to make it back to this Shrewsbury Walmart before him. Get one more before we get ready to close this thing on out. I still may have a chance at having the most earnings for the day. And we out. That was perfect. All right. So Pedro just got him a $20 order. A $19 order, right? He think he won. But guess what? He don't know. He don't know that I just snatched a $22 order. Now, I got more miles than him, but I ain't finna tell him nothing. All right, guys. Last drop off right here. Then we meeting up with Pedro to get some lunch and to gloat about how great we are for winning. Finally. A few deliveries over here in this Shrewsbury zone. Getting to see a little bit more of my city. That's right, Pedro. St. Louis is my city. So where do we go? I'm about to go over here, meet up with him. You know, get my W. I'm about to give him his L while at the same time receiving my W. Because what you got to realize is I'm the fastest dasher alive, okay? And that also means that when it comes to shopping, I'm the fastest. When it comes to getting that money, getting that gas for the cheapest price, I'm the fastest at all of that. So I need him to go ahead and pay for this noodles and Coke. I need a buffalo chicken mac and cheese bowl. Day is my day for a W. Thank you, Mr. Better. It's 3 o'clock on the dot. Well, actually, it's 3:07. It's not on the dot. But technically, we've been out for 3 hours working, and I am sitting at $60. So we at Noodles & Co. now. We finna head up in here. How'd you end up doing, bro?
55.
55? Ooh! So you know what that means. You know what that means. Who the king of St. Louis is, right?
Yeah.
When it comes to these delivery apps, right? We gonna just drop it in the comment below. Is it DashingTrader or is it Mr. Bet on you?
I mean, listen, you let him know on his channel. You let him know what you think about the last couple days. He come to my backyard and took the W.
So look,
I gotta give him props for that.
He won in my neck of the woods. I won in his neck of the woods.
Yeah. Y'all be tripping with the 5 feet shit. Y'all at least give me 5'2". I mean, come on, man. I'm on that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.